Welcome, Carado friends. Now it's about the topic of gas in the motorhome, and we'll show you how safe and easy it is to use it. Gas is an essential source of energy for some devices in your vehicle. There is a special space for 2 gas bottles in all of our Carado motorhomes and camper vans. In almost all models, the capacity of the gas bottles is limited to 11 kg per bottle, except for the camper van 601, where it is 5 kg due to the limited storage space. The gas bottles are located in a gas-tight gas box so that if there is a leak, no gas or smell can penetrate into the interior of the vehicle. There is also a ventilation in the bottom of this box so that the gas can be drained to the outside in the event of a leak, as gas is heavier than air. That's why it's of course important to always keep this ventilation in the floor free. Depending on the model, access to the gas boxes is located on the left or right side of the vehicle and can be easily reached via the outside locker door or the garage, except for camper vans, where it is located behind the rear door. And now we want to connect the gas bottle. To do this, you first remove the red protective cap, and in order to screw the gas hose or the gas pressure regulator onto the gas bottle, you first have to unscrew the black cover and the gas hose.
It's already in the vehicle. The gas pressure regulator is included, connects the gas hose, and then screws it onto the gas bottle. Please note that this is a left-hand thread. All of this enables a secure connection between the gas pressure regulator and the gas bottle to ensure the gas system functions properly. Now it's time to securely fix the gas bottles. Please be sure to use the tension straps provided. Please remember, the gas bottle must not be open while driving, unless you have installed a gas pressure regulator with a crash sensor. However, there are differences depending on the country, so please be sure to find out about them before you start your journey. Therefore, be sure to check whether your gas bottle is closed before setting off, because safety comes first. You can purchase the gas bottles from motorhome dealers, hardware stores or accessories stores, or from campsites and gas stations. There is usually a rental fee for this. The 11 kg bottles, you can choose between aluminum and steel, although aluminum is of course lighter. There are various methods to determine the fill level. On the one hand, of course, the classic shaking, using a scale or this ultrasound pen, and you can see the bottle is empty. There are various gas-powered devices in your motorhome or camper van. The gas stove, the refrigerator, except in the camper van, and the heater with integrated hot water preparation. In order to use the devices, you first have to open the gas bottle, and then you have a gas shut-off valve in the vehicle for each device. You turn this on to use it. Oblique is closed, vertical is open. An important note for our camper vans: the throttle levers are located under this seat behind a flap. These throttles have another very important function. For example, if you haven't turned off the gas bottle at night, you can use these gas levers to close the gas valve. That was our topic of gas in the motorhome. With these instructions, handling gas is easy and safe.
Do you have any questions or suggestions? Then feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to know how to cook with gas in a motorhome, then click on this video.